Okay, this is Rani Ahmed with you, and this is our second video, okay, in this explanation about how to create a calculator in TCL using mouse click coordinates. Now, as I said, okay, I have a canvas, okay, if I run it, and wherever I click on those buttons, I'll get a number, okay, that will be added to this area here, which is a label widget. Okay, so look with me what will happen now. This 0 I did not omit it. Okay, I kept it because it's helpful anyway, so it will not harm the work of the calculation. So 1 minus 3 times 9 divided by 7, okay, plus 3, whatever. Even if I make it this big, okay, and press enter, you get a result. Cool. It's nice. And by the way, I omitted this button because all I need is just the calculation, the simplest calculations, plus this did not add it to. Okay, just the numbers, the dot, and the 4 calculations that we know. Yeah, and this will be an all clear. So if I put it, it will go back to 0. Okay, I press enter, it will always give me a 0. Okay, so how did I do that? Now the bind command provides us with those lines. Okay, now the %x means the click coordinate at the horizontal side. So this is, if I click here, for example, okay, this is its x, and its x comes from this 0, 0, so we're going this way 60 or 56 points, okay, or pixels, and you're going down like 71 pixels. So this way you're reaching this 71. So this is our first point in the rectangle. So you need this other side of the rectangle so you can cover all this x's and all these y's. Okay, so the second y will be somewhere here. So 88 and 95. So we look somewhere in the database that I've made of data of the pixels. So we got something like, let me put this always on top so it won't annoy me. So it will be 88. So we look somewhere with that's 88. Okay, somewhere that's in this region of 88 and 95. So 89, whatever. So we set the 4. Okay, so this is 4. So it's somewhere like here. Okay, so it's 55, see, 55, 58, so it's greater than 55, and its y coordinate, it's greater than the 68, so it's 71, so it's greater. Okay, like, because you cannot be that accurate to get it. Okay, well, because you will be clicking like this, you won't be thinking about it. So 67, 67, yes, is greater than 55, and the 84 is greater than 68, and it's also less than the other side. Okay, 88 and 99 for x and y. Okay, and this way I can say which button has been pressed. Okay, so this is the current button. Now, of course, when I start the bind, I always get the current entry, so I get whatever inside this here. Okay, and also I set the current button to be always empty, okay, as a start. Okay, then I change it upon clicking. So all this is just the database that you see of buttons until I reach this button, which is the enter, which will translate this expression into a calculation. Okay, so here I set the current button to be nothing because this has no meaning, just to run things, okay? And because I'm using the button names here just to be used as the letters of the expression, okay? Or the characters of the expression. And then set the current entry to be the current entry, you know, when it's used as an expression. Okay, so expr will run this expression and calculate it. Okay, and therefore it will go grab this here. Okay, set this current entry, and it will skip all this because it does not match. It matches only this, and this is taken to the expr, of course, as I said, and it will be calculated and set again as the current entry. Okay, and this one is the all clear button. Okay, this is all clear, you see, and this is the enter button. Okay, and this way, okay, I'm resetting the current button to be nothing, of course, and the current entry will be 0. And here I configure again the my entry, this label here at the 04s, okay, to be the current entry plus what, the current button. And I always put the button at the back, not on the front, because this is how you write. You put the numbers from left to right, not from right to left. Okay, so that's why I put the current button always, when on every click you are appending it to the right, okay, from left to right. Okay, and I always tell you where did I click. Okay, so this is my click location. Okay, and that's it. This is our program. Okay, so this is our sweet calculator, simple calculator, plus 3, 6, voila, and enter, and that's all. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and thanks for watching with us. And also don't forget to click the ads, click the likes, and click the subscription button so you can get more updates from us about TCL. And also please don't forget to type any comments that you think they're useful and they can encourage the discussion. Thanks.